How to fix Digimon Survive crashing at launch. 1. Update your Digimon Survive game. 2. Update your graphics driver's graphics card using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Ensure your device meets the game's minimum requirements. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 3. Locate then change the codec tweak tool.exes. Settings Recalite, hints, 1, you'd find the codec tweak tool.exe at C:\program files, x86, /Kalite codec pack /tools. 2, select the use merit option under .mp4, .m4b, .mp4b, .mpv4 in the above mentioned preferred splitter subsection. 4. Update Microsoft C++ redistributables. 5. Verify the integrity of the game's files in Steam. Like this.